guys, welcome back to my, it's not YouTube, right? It's IGTV. Yeah, IGTV. Had no plans of making this video. I was just going to click the picture, but then I thought like, I haven't posted like in Instagram or in YouTube for a long time, so maybe I should film this one. So this is how I click my aesthetic picture, part 3, 4, 5. I don't remember. You should know that I don't do much of makeup while clicking these aesthetic pictures because my main focus is something else, the background. So I'm gonna prepare my background and I'll show you the main props. The main props. Main props. What is wrong with me? This main prop is something that everyone has it. So thank me later. Newspapers. So I'm going to use this double tape. I'm going to use that double tape to like cover this wall, not the whole wall, just the portion in the screen. And yeah, you're free to use any type of tape or anything, but then just don't come for me if your like wall gets damaged. So I advise you to use double tape. Now it's up to you what you use. Also, hey, I'm wearing this t-shirt like in a wrong manner. That's because I just need the white portion and this is the only white fitted t-shirt I have. I just need the white portion, so feel free to judge me. So we are done covering the background and there are some embarrassing news or like some hair oil advertisement or something, but doesn't matter because the editing is the most important part, which I'm not going to share with you because I am a very selfish person. Like the level is very high. Like I'm just going to click some pictures. Like was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video, and